Welcome back folks to Motorhouse Campers. Here today, you'll have to excuse the windsock. My microphone's not quite up to the job, so I'll do a bit of more conversation inside. But here today we have a 2003 Fiat Ducato, converted when new from New Venture Motorhomes in Wigan. They've done a really good job. They've been converting motorhomes for many years at the same factory, still going strong. I'll just do a quick walk around first, folks. Yeah, so it's the 2.8 turbo diesel, power steering, electric windows, central locking, beautiful metallic red paintwork, in very good condition. Just a few little things, foibles, being super fussy for a 16-year-old motorhome. Yes, that's right folks, it's 16 years old. I know it doesn't look it. Got a little bit of a dimple here. Maybe the front grille could benefit from a paint job, depending on your fussiness levels. Bit of a scratch here. That's about it. It really is that nice. Got the TV aerial. Someone at some stage has fitted a small awning rail. You've got the fresh water and the grey water taps and tanks underneath. Nice Fiat wheel trims fitted. Bit of a mark here, nothing major. Yes, all in all, beautiful condition body wise. So you got the vents for the fridge, you've got the mains hookup, cables provided, the exhaust for the heating system, onboard fresh water. We'll have a little look under the bonnet. There you go, the 2.8 Fiat Ducato power plant, well known for hundreds of thousands of miles in these commercial vehicles. And I do mean full service history, fully documented, stamped up. In fact, there's so many stamps in the service book, the last owner ran out of space and has had to put a new page in the service book. Power steering, electric windows, last owner of 5 years has fitted some sat nav. Could have done with a better way of hiding the wire, but it's there. I'm sure that'll just peel off nicely. But it's got the sat nav, you've got the radio CD player, blower, cup holder, 5-speed manual, and she's covered 68,000 miles. Two keys, two sets of keys. There's one fob on it. You've got the passenger captain seat. Nice feature. You've got the original New Venture carpets to the front. New Venture emblem underneath, mat over the carpet. Look at those seats, beautiful interior. work. Lovely, certainly no rust. Table slots in nicely into its own little space. Rear curtains. Let's walk inside from the side. We'll close that door, keep that January wind out. How's about that? Let's put some lights on. We've got a light switch here to the front. That operates your two front roof lights. We have another light switch here. As you can see, that operates the rear lights, and they can all be individually flicked on and off. Spotless. I've just drained the water off. It is a frosty morning in January. I can show you everything works. The gas bottle's on. Let's see if we can. There you go. Got a 3-burner hob. We've also got a grill. A bit tricky to demonstrate the grill. We'll try. There we go. There's your grill. Spotless. So this conversion has only got cold running water. You've got the Electrolux 3-way fridge, so she's working on 12 volts when driving, mains when she's plugged in, as well as gas. See if we can get that working to demonstrate. So you just put the sparker on there, turn this over to, I can hear it sparking. A bit tricky to see the pilot light, but I can assure you just about there. I'm going to show you that's working, and that's fridging nicely. Beautiful wood finish by New Venture. Gas cut-off valves for the heater, the fridge and the hob. More cupboard space. More kitchen lights. Overhead storage. Lovely fitting fixtures. Mains fuse box plus the 12 volt panel. We've got some paperwork there, we'll go through that shortly. That'll keep you busy reading that paperwork, folks. It really is a conclusive paperwork trail from new. And we've got some silver foil blackout blinds for the front. blackout insulation and fly nets. It's a little bit stiff, that fly net. There you go. Two 40 mains sockets. Let's go into the toilet. So the wet room as such is just a toilet. There is no shower and no basin. So just one thing to note there, folks. Flushing toilet, toilet roll holder, Thetford cassette. So we've got your wardrobe, the mains TV, the TV aerial rather, that can be fully adjusted. Booster for the signal of the TV aerial. More cupboard space. And we've got a colour lightweight bottle. I'll just switch that off now. There we go. We've got a place above the passenger rear seat. That's where a TV could go. Or extra space. Just one thing to note, there's extra. Look at that. Very well designed for the kitchen area. And underneath here we have the gas Traumatic heater. So we just put that on the flame there, on the high, set the thermostat to high, and that will heat the central heating. It will blow hot air out of the front, or the rear rather, and the front. Again, that's fully working and operational. Nice fitted carpet over the original New Venture carpet. Front passenger captain swivel. Lovely detail on the interior. I really do like this. So this particular one, oh, another reading light here. So it converts out into two large single beds. So this one slides forward. There's a piece of wood under here that clips onto here, and that creates one large long single bed there. The driver's seat slides forward. That folds down there. A little bit of infill cushion. And then that creates another single bed, or you can make a very large queen size bed by pulling this out here. That slides across, that cushion flops into place here, and that one above slides behind there. Underbed storage, a rear 3-point seat belt. A full size roof light, blackout blind, as well as a fly net. Yes, all in all, a really good, well thought out conversion by New Venture. They've done a good job again. Now then, let's have a look at some paperwork. Well, it's had 4 owners in total, one of those being New Venture, so 3 owners. The last owner has had it for 5 years, and the previous owner before that was 5 years. Just one thing to note, unfortunately no one's picked up that it's still on the V5 logbook down as a panel van. So it'd be suggested with a new owner sends in the logbook, just put a note and a picture showing that it's a motorhome, and they'll convert that body type to motor caravan. Free of charge. There's no inspection required. Just put as I say, a letter in when you send off the logbook and some pictures of the inside and the outside, and DVLA will change that to a motor caravan. So let's have a look at some service history. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 service stamps. The book's run out, so another page has been sellotaped in. 16, 17 service stamps, and the last one recently, a couple of months ago in October 2018, it's 67,000 miles, and it's only covered 68,000 now. It doesn't get any nicer than that. Lots of paperwork, bills, past MOTs. That'll keep you busy for a few hours reading that. So yes, just to recap, it's a 2003 Fiat Ducato 2.8, the very desirable 2.8 turbo diesel. It's been converted by New Venture from nearly new, as you can see, to a very, very high standard. I'll be happy to deliver this anywhere in the country. Just pick up the phone, 0798 526 1078. I repeat, 0798 526 1078. 7 days a week, 9 AM till 9 PM. I'll answer any sensible questions. I may even consider a part exchange of a car, motorbike, motorhome or camper van. And again, I will be happy to drive and deliver this for you to view anywhere in the United Kingdom, totally free of charge. I can't be any fairer or more confident in the product and this particular camper myself. All I ask, if you wish to carry out the purchase after payment, is just a lift to the nearest train station. I'll just do a quick walk round the outside. As always, folks, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, that will notify you of any new fresh motorhomes coming in stock. You'll be the first to be notified by email, by YouTube. Just click that subscribe button. So yes, the bodywork is in really good condition. She's 16 years old, can you believe? The odd little mark here and there, but again, being very fussy. I think that's the worst one. A little bit of a dimple here on the driver's door. A little bit of paint coming off the front grille, and a bit of a scratch here, and that's about it. Thanks for listening, folks. Until next time.